पावरफुल वुमन वो है जिसके पास है इंटेलेक्ट, कैरेक्टर एंड डिटर्मिनेशन टू लिव हर लाइफ द वे शी वांट्स टू लिव, नो मैटर व्हाट द सर्कमस्टेंसेस आर और द ऑब्स्टिकल्स कम. वो एक लेडी है who is undistracted by anything that comes in her way and she reaches her goal at any cost. She will make her way throughout anything. Nothing can break her and she will reach the destination where she wants to at any cost. So today ladies, I am here to tell you all the 10 traits I feel that a powerful woman has in her. First one is powerful women are in control of their emotions. So as the powerful saying says that if you are not in control of your emotions, someone else is. And why on earth आपको ये करना है? जब आप खुद ड्राइविंग जानते हो तो आपको दूसरे किसी को क्यों बिठाना है उस ड्राइवर सीट पे? You need to lead your life and not allow somebody else to lead it for you. And just because you are a woman, you are too emotional to take the responsibility, does not mean that आप life की वो practical side नहीं देख सकते. You have to stand for yourself. You have to see what is good and what is wrong for you. Which brings us to the second trait, which is powerful women are not dependent on their finances on somebody else. You should not have it in your mind कि आपके maybe husband or father or any man in the house only can earn money. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. You can be financially independent by earning for yourself. No offense at all to the men, but life is changing. Everything is changing around us. And we women can also be very much independent financially. We girls in India as well can and are already big examples of people who are financially independent. Be it small or big, you girls can have your own business, you can go for a job, or you can do something out of which you can earn money. A powerful woman will never compromise on her work. She will always give priority to her family definitely, but she will work for herself and keep herself busy. हमें छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए हमारे husbands या family members पे dependent रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. At least be it some little amount also, you can earn it for yourself. Coming to the fourth one, powerful women will stand for themselves. They will love themselves first. So मुझे यहाँ पे ये बोलना है that जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला, we tend to focus on somebody else. So यहाँ पे the powerful girl, the woman will focus on herself. वो बैठे नहीं रहेगी मेरा husband कब आएगा, मुझे कब कोई partner मिलेगा. She'll work out on her own self, and when the right comes, the perfect person will come in her life. She will believe in this. वो अपने आप पे focus करेगी and she will try to become the best version of herself. See ladies, यहाँ पे the trick is कि अगर आपको king चाहिए, prince चाहिए, that prince charming, then you also have to be like a queen, right? Be like a princess. तब जाके you can have that standard and you can expect कि सामने वाला भी king या prince हो. Trust me ladies, this will work in your favor. No matter your color, your caste, your height, your weight, if you are high value, you will get a nice high value man and challenge your potential. Let the other person be. जो भी हो. If you are the queen, if you are the princess, you are the best version of yourself, things will work out for you. Powerful women insecure नहीं होती. This is my fifth point. Powerful women insecure नहीं होती. So suppose आप एक room में हो and there is this another beautiful girl sitting there. So what? Maybe she's better looking, maybe she has a very good speech than you, but don't forget you are you. You just need not be insecure. और एक चीज, कभी कभी हम लेडीज अपने पार्टनर से जेलस होती है, मैंने बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया हुआ है. सो डोंट वरी, यू डोंट हैव टू बी इनसिक्योर विथ योर पार्टनर एज वेल, बिकॉज यू नीड टू फर्स्ट बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, वॉट यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल. सो कहीं ना कहीं इन माई केस मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि फॉर माई पार्टनर आई थिंक आई एम द बेस्ट थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड. सो आपको ये कॉन्फिडेंस खुद में रखना है दैट यू आर द बेस्ट थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड टू योर पार्टनर एंड नॉट बी इनसिक्योर. एंड इफ यू फील लो, जस्ट एडजस्ट योर क्राउन, हैव दैट एटीट्यूड, बिकॉज powerful women do not tolerate insecurity even in themselves. Coming to the sixth one, powerful women detox their mind on regular basis. Powerful women अपने दिमाग को, अपने मन को शांत करती हैं. They take out all the negativity and throw it in the bin. अपने आप को कंट्रोल में रखो. Don't allow your mind, your heart, your ears to be trash cans. Just detox yourself. फिर वो कोई पुराना bitterness हो या outdated thought हो about something bad that had happened with you, you know, जिसको आपके साथ गलत करना है वो तो करके चले गए. Why you want to waste your today in thinking about that bitterness, that sad feeling? And waste your time. Don't do that, ladies. Just let it go and live for today. Don't keep it in your heart for a long time. It is going to affect you. And इससे हासिल तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना. जैसे कि आपको किसी पे गुस्सा हो या नाराजगी हो, आपको उन्हें माफ करना ही होगा. आज अभी माफ कर दो उन्हें. Let them go. Let them be. Which brings us to the seventh point, which is powerful women dress intentionally. हम सोच समझ के intentionally dress up होने चाहिए. If you want to be respected as a leader, you need to dress up like a leader, right? आप किसी मॉडल के जैसा ड्रेसअप नहीं कर सकते and expect people to respect you like a leader. Simple. अगर आपको लगता है that people are going to judge you and all, of course they are going to judge you. Why not? Seeing your appearance, people always judge each other. Don't you do it for others? अगर आप चाहते हो कि लोग आपको रिस्पेक्ट दे, आपको सीरियसली ले, so ladies, you will have to dress the part. आपको वैसे ड्रेसअप करना पड़ेगा that people take you seriously. कुछ भी पहन के नहीं घूम सकते ना हम. People are going to see us, they are going to judge us. So you need to dress your part and dress accordingly. Doesn't even matter आप कितने educated हो, आपको कितना experience है. Ladies, don't forget you are somebody's daughter, somebody's wife, somebody's mother, and you represent them. ये हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं. हम हमारे फैमिली को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एंड हम कुछ भी अगर ड्रेस करेंगे तो हमारे साथ साथ हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स भी जज होंगे. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? आपको मेरा पॉइंट समझ में आ रहा होगा अभी. ये दुनिया वही देखेगी विच यू प्रोजेक्ट. कमिंग टू द 8th पॉइंट, पावरफुल विमेन विल नॉट सेटल विथ वीक मैन. अगर आप सेटल डाउन हो जाते हो विथ अ मैन हु इज रियली वीक, नो बैकबोन, ऑलवेज इनसिक्योर, not happy with anything for himself and for you as well, the relationship is not going to work. So अगर आप अपने आप को एक queen, एक princess समझती हैं, then why to settle down with a man who is not a king or a prince? He is weak. The relationship will be very weak. It won't work. A weak man and a strong woman can never be a pair. क्योंकि either he'll be jealous of you, या तो वो आपको आगे बढ़ने नहीं देगा, आपसे जलेगा for your success, and this will be a big hurdle in your own life and you will stop taking care of yourself. वो आप पे dependent होगा completely, even for his finances. He will not have the guts to go out and earn his own money, and he will think कि my wife is earning, my partner is earning, why should I earn? But still he will bring a hurdle when you're going out and doing your own thing. Like suppose अगर आपका goal है to reach the sky, to reach your limits, but उसका goal है to just be happy with a street lamp and sit under a street lamp, it is not going to work. Do think about this जो मैं आपको अभी बोल रही हूँ. Why do you want to settle down with a man who is unsupportive, who is weak, who is insecure? Do think about this. And if you want a king, behave like a queen. And if you're behaving like a queen, wait for the king. Don't settle for less. Powerful women don't roam around cursing people. इसका मतलब है कि हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत jealousy तो हर किसी को होता है, but you need not be jealous all the time or keep cursing people. अरे वो ऐसा ही है, वो ऐसी है all the time. That is not at all a good sign, girls. वो दूसरों को नाम नहीं रखते घूमती. She understands people. She doesn't keep fighting. इसने ऐसे किया, उसने वैसे किया. No. She understands the other person, uses her speech wisely. She's loving, she's caring for all the people around her and not jealous of anybody. You need not be. Trust me, ladies, your tongue can either build or break, especially in your own house. Your tongue will decide कि you are building up your house or you're breaking it apart. Bring the goodness in a man and not to break his house. अगर आप अपने words wisely use करते हैं, trust me girls, you will build a high kingdom, your own kingdom. Not by pulling down your husband's legs and not allowing him to be successful. In fact, आप दोनों मिलके एक गोल सेट कर सकते हैं and both together can work for that goal. Trust me, I do it. Me and my husband, we do it. So can you. Sometimes I guess the best thing is to keep quiet. You just have to zip it, lock it and put it in your pocket or your husband's pocket. But at the same time, do remember, in fact, do not forget कि आपको क्या चाहिए and act accordingly. See what is right, what is wrong. See the differentiation and act accordingly. Coming to the last point, the 10th point, that powerful women trust themselves. They always have a trust on themselves. Wherever they go, whatever they do, whomever they are with, they trust themselves because वो खुद किसी और जैसी नहीं और कोई और आप जैसी नहीं हो सकती. कई बार हम लेडीज को वो फेथ रखना पड़ता है, वो पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है for things to work out. But just be the best version of yourself. Don't settle for less and know what you want. Especially to the young girls, don't rush to find the best man. Wait for the right person. You will find your right person. Today or tomorrow. शायद थोड़ा लेट भी हो सकता है. But first focus on yourself. Love yourself. Then you will get the best person who's very much right for you. So girls, my beautiful ladies out there, trust yourself. Be brave. Love yourself a lot. Keep yourself as priority. Be the best version of yourself and see how wonders happen with you. इस life में nobody is perfect. Nobody. God has made us everybody like that. But that's okay. Because you are you. And that's how things have to be. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. I would like to again add on to all the men out there. Please don't be offensive on this. In fact, मैं तो आपको suggest करूँगी, please, if you are not home, whenever you go home, show this video to your wife. Support them, empower them, let them be the best version of themselves. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है that the lady is feeling low and you as a man can go and tell her that how beautiful she is, how good she is, and whatever she's doing, she's on the right path. You need to support your wife. Your mom may be, your sister, it can be anybody for that matter. So please don't be offended. I'm sorry if I've hurt your sentiments, but my motto is not to make the men feel low. It's just that I want the women to feel the best version of themselves, because I have felt it my way. And I trust me guys, I have a very supportive husband, जिसकी वजह से I'm able to do all this today. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can put in your thoughts in the comments below. And to all the ladies out there, be strong enough to let go and be brave enough to wait for what you deserve. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye.